A natural-looking blush can transform your makeup game, giving your skin a fresh, healthy glow without looking overdone. But with so many options available, it's tough to pick the right one. In today's video, we've curated the top 5 blushes for a natural look. From lightweight creams to versatile tints, these products work seamlessly to give you that radiant flush. Whether you're a makeup minimalist or a beauty enthusiast, these blushes have you covered. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 1, Glossier Cloud Paint. The Glossier Cloud Paint is a cult favorite gel cream blush designed to give you a seamless, natural flush. It's a staple for anyone who loves a lightweight, skin-like finish and wants effortless application. Key features: Cloud Paint features a gel cream formula that blends beautifully into the skin, creating a natural, dewy finish. It's available in a range of shades to suit different skin tones and is designed to be sheer yet buildable, allowing you to customize the intensity. The formula is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this blush is perfect for achieving that no makeup look. Squeeze a tiny amount onto your fingertips and gently pat it onto your cheeks. Its sheer texture ensures a natural finish, while the buildable coverage lets you add more for special occasions. It's also versatile enough to be used as a lip tint. Usability: its lightweight and non-greasy consistency make it incredibly easy to apply, even for makeup beginners. The tube packaging is travel-friendly and allows for precise dispensing. It's great for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Durability: despite its sheer texture, Cloud Paint has impressive staying power, lasting several hours without fading. Its blendable formula ensures that it doesn't cake or settle into fine lines, making it a reliable choice for long wear. In the second spot, we have MAC Powder Blush. The MAC Powder Blush is a classic powder blush that delivers a natural, soft focus finish. Known for its pigment and longevity, this blush is a favorite among makeup artists and everyday users alike. Key features: this blush comes in a wide range of shades and finishes, including matte and satin, ensuring there's a perfect option for every skin tone and occasion. Its finely milled formula offers smooth, even application and blends effortlessly for a polished look. The compact packaging includes a mirror for added convenience. Benefits and usage: ideal for those who prefer a traditional powder formula, this blush provides a natural finish with buildable coverage. Use a fluffy blush brush to sweep the product onto the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples for a lifted look. Its pigmented formula means you need only a small amount for a noticeable flush. Usability: its powder formula is perfect for all skin types, especially oily and combination skin, as it helps control shine. The compact design makes it easy to carry, and its long-lasting wear ensures minimal touch-ups are required. Durability: the MAC Powder Blush stays put for up to 8 hours, maintaining its vibrant color without fading. Its sturdy compact protects the product, making it a durable option for daily use and travel. Coming in at number 3 is the Benefit Benetint. Benefit Benetint is a liquid blush and lip stain in one, offering a natural flush that looks like it's coming from within. Its lightweight formula has been a go-to for beauty lovers for decades. Key features: this multi-purpose stain has a water-based formula that provides a sheer, buildable color. It's smudge-proof and transfer-resistant, ensuring it stays in place all day. The brush applicator makes it easy to apply with precision, whether on your cheeks or lips. Benefits and usage: perfect for those who love a natural, barely there finish, Benetint blends effortlessly for a subtle blush effect. Dot the product onto your cheeks and quickly blend it out with your fingers or a sponge. You can also use it on your lips for a matching rosy tint, making it a versatile addition to your makeup bag. Usability: its liquid formula is suitable for all skin types and works well over bare skin or foundation. The lightweight consistency makes it feel like you're wearing nothing at all. Its compact bottle is easy to store and travel with. Durability: Benetint's long-wearing formula lasts throughout the day without fading or smudging, even in humid conditions. Its stain effect ensures that the color stays vibrant, making it ideal for long days or events. Taking our fourth spot is Rare Beauty Soft Pinch. The Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush is a highly pigmented liquid blush that delivers a natural, radiant finish. Created by Selena Gomez, this blush has quickly become a favorite for its innovative formula and stunning results. Key features: this liquid blush comes in both matte and dewy finishes, catering to different skin preferences. Its lightweight, blendable formula offers intense pigment with just a tiny amount. The doe foot applicator ensures precise application, and the range of shades suits a variety of skin tones. Benefits and usage: this blush is perfect for achieving a fresh, natural look with minimal effort. Dab a small amount onto your cheeks and blend it out with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. Its high pigment means you'll need only a dot or two for a noticeable flush, making it incredibly cost-effective. Usability: the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush works well on bare skin and over foundation, blending seamlessly without disrupting other makeup. Its lightweight formula makes it comfortable to wear all day, and the packaging is sleek and travel-friendly. Durability: this blush has impressive staying power, lasting through long days without fading. Its formula ensures that it doesn't crease or settle into fine lines, providing a smooth and natural finish throughout the day. And finally, at number 5, we have Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out. The Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Cream Blush is a creamy, lightweight blush designed to give a natural, dewy glow. Rihanna's brand has once again delivered a product that caters to all skin types and tones. Key features: this cream blush is sheer, but buildable, allowing you to control the intensity of your look. Its cream-to-powder formula blends effortlessly into the skin, leaving a seamless finish. The blush comes in a variety of universally flattering shades and is housed in a chic, portable compact. Benefits and usage: ideal for a natural, glowing look, this blush can be applied with your fingers or a brush. Dab it onto your cheeks and blend outward for a radiant finish. Its creamy texture melts into the skin, making it perfect for achieving a youthful, fresh-faced look. Usability: the compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go application. It works well on bare skin, tinted moisturizers, or full-coverage foundations. Its formula is also suitable for layering with other cream or powder products. Durability: despite its creamy texture, the Cheeks Out Cream Blush has excellent staying power, lasting for hours without fading. Its compact packaging is durable and easy to carry, ensuring it remains a reliable option for touch-ups or travel. Finding the perfect blush for a natural look can elevate your makeup routine, giving you that fresh, radiant glow. From lightweight creams to versatile tints, the top 5 blushes we've reviewed today cater to every preference and skin type. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.